Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vid, your powerhouse for high velocity stock breakdowns. I'm Mitchell, and today we're accelerating into Jiuzi Holdings, ticker JZXN, the EV retailer from China that's slamming the gas on a crypto pivot. Turbocharged today, as of December 12th, JZXN shares have surged 32% to $7.42, hitting intraday highs after a wild pre-market spike of up to 90% on blockbuster financing news. The Nitro Boost, an explosive expansion of its private placement to $1 billion, an 80-fold leap from prior commitments via a new MOU with institutional backers earmarked to supercharge crypto asset services and blockchain ventures. This follows the 1-for-10 reverse split effective December 11th, aimed at NASDAQ compliance amid a year-to-date roller coaster. Analysts flag overbought RSI signals for short-term pullbacks, but the crypto tailwind screams speculative upside. Just mind the volatility in this micro-cap shift. JZXN, Crypto Catalyst, or EV Detour? Rev your thoughts below, like for the rush, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids. Drive smart. See you next time. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.